So the third equation of motion is gotten from the combination of the first equation and the second equation of motion. So let's derive the third equation of motion. It is very interesting. Now, if the first equation of motion, V, is equal to U plus AT, is stated down. Now let us square both sides. Squaring both sides, we will have V squared is equal to U plus AT all squared. Simplifying further, this will simply become U plus AT times U plus AT. Now let's expand this bracket. So we have V squared left here is equal to, what's U times U, guys? This will be U squared plus, what's U times AT? UAT. Now we have AT times U. This will also be plus UAT. And then we have AT times AT plus A squared T squared. Now simplifying, collecting like terms, V squared will be U squared plus 2UAT plus A squared T squared. So it's very, very interesting. It's just mathematics. All right. So as we've gotten this, we go further by factoring out 2a from the last two terms here. So we want to factor out 2a from the last two terms here. We have V squared is equal to U squared. Now, plus, we want to factor out 2a from this. So when I write 2a out, I open a bracket. Now, what will be left inside for this to complete UAT? So I will be left with UT here, right? Because 2a times UT will give me 2UAT. Now, plus, here also, I have a squared. So you know that when I'm taking out 1a, I will be left with a single a. And my t squared will be here. But remember, there is a 2. So for this to balance, I will have to take the half of this. So that when these 2 multiply this to it goes off, a times a will still give me back my a squared. And then I have my t squared. So now having this in this nature, now remember from equation, the second equation of motion states that S is equal to ut plus half at squared. So it means that everything here, ut plus half, remember that this 2 here, if I should bring it to the front, it becomes 1/2. It will still be at squared. So everything inside this bracket is the same thing as S. So I will replace this with S. Therefore, the final equation becomes V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS. So this is the third equation of motion. So in this, we have been able to state all the equations of motion. The first one is V is equal to U plus AT. The second is S is equal to UT plus half AT squared. And the final is V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS. We know that V is final velocity. We know that U is initial velocity. A is acceleration. S here is your distance or speed. Now, other terms here, T is your time. And with this, you'll be able to handle any problem that has to do with motion. Bye.